Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying tools and assets you need right now. Install OpenSSL in Tunnel or Socket, then place your certificate and key in a secure path. Permissions matter. Once done, pick a public listening port like 443 to avoid outbound blocking and identify the internal service IP, port you want tunneled. This first step ensures you can create an encrypted endpoint that forwards to the real service. It reduces middleman interference and prepares the environment for configuration. Now configure the tunnel service and start it. Edit Tunnel or Socket settings to accept on the chosen port and connect to the backend service. Specify the cert and key paths. Make sure your firewall or NAT rules forward incoming TLS traffic to the tunnel host and permit established connections. Once running, test with OpenSSL client to confirm the certificate chain and cipher suite. If the handshake succeeds, your encrypted tunnel is actively proxying traffic to the internal service. This step proves end-to-end encryption. Finish by making the tunnel resilient and observable. Set the tunnel to auto-start, add monitoring, and automate certificate renewals so you never drop encryption. Once live, watch logs for TLS alerts and handshake failures since they reveal mismatched ciphers or SNI issues. If clients cannot connect, verify the certificate hostname matches client SNI, confirm allowed cipher suites, and ensure the backend service is reachable from the tunnel host. One key troubleshooting tip: recreate the handshake with verbose logs to pinpoint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.